In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events and receive appointment on Calendly. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking page that lets people pick a time that works for both of you, without the back and forth. Start inside your Calendly scheduling dashboard. Look for the Create button near the top. This is your starting point for building a new booking experience. When you click it, Calendly offers different event types. Choose one-on-one. This format is perfect when a single invitee is meeting directly with you, and it gives you tight control over timing and availability. You'll land in the event editor. Begin by typing a clear, descriptive name for your meeting. Keep it short and specific so invitees immediately know what the session is about, like consultation, intro call, or project review. The name appears on your booking page and calendar invitations, so make it count. Next, select the duration. Pick a length that matches the purpose of the meeting. For example, 15 minutes for quick syncs, 30 minutes for standard calls, or 60 minutes for deep dives. Consider how much preparation or follow-up you need, and choose a duration that leaves you enough room to deliver value without feeling rushed. Now select the location. Calendly supports common options like phone, in-person, or web conferencing. If you use tools like Zoom or Google Meet and have them connected, Calendly can generate conferencing details automatically when someone books. If it's a phone call, clarify who calls whom. For in-person, include a concise address or meeting spot. Click into Availability to fine-tune when you can be booked. Set the days and time ranges that work for you and make sure your time zone is correct. You can tailor availability just for this event type, separate from your general schedule. This is also where you can shape the booking experience with things like spacing between meetings, daily limits, and minimum notice, helping you avoid last-minute surprises and back-to-back fatigue. Calendly checks conflicts against your connected calendars, so only truly open times appear to invitees. When everything looks good, click Create. Your event type is now live. Calendly provides a shareable booking page for this event, and invitees will see times in their own time zone. As soon as someone selects a slot, Calendly sends confirmations and places the event on your calendar with the chosen location details. That's it. Your one-on-one booking flow is ready, and you're set to receive appointments smoothly.